For 40 days or Hello guys, if you want to practice English with music and sing this song, join me, follow me. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Here we go. For 40 days, for 40 days, or for 40 days, even more, for 40 days, even more. The line went slack. The line went slack. But when we speak fast, you just say went slack. The line went slack. And tied once more. And tied once more. For 40 days or even more. For 40 days or even more. The line went slack and tied once more. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tied once more. Okay. And tied once more, the birds were lost, there were only four. All boats were lost. All boats were lost. There were only four. There were only four. All boats were lost. There were only four. But still, that whale, this word is difficult. Whale, like way, and then you say l, whale. But still that whale did go. But still that whale did go. Did go. But still that whale did go. Ha! Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us. And then soon may the Wellerman come. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. To bring us. And then we make a linking with the sound sugar. Bring us sugar. Bring us sugar. Bring us sugar. Bring us sugar. Bring us. But when the word sugar is after us, then we just sing bring us sugar and tea and rum. Rum. Sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take up. One day when the tongue is done, we'll take our leave and go. Leave, you can say leave on. That is a weak form of and. It's like leave and go. We'll take our leave and go. Yeah, and then you can sing. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tied once more. All boats were lost, there were only four, but still that well did go. Ha! Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Okay, now slowly. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that well did go. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tongue is done, we'll take our leave and go. You can do it? So goodbye and see you in my next video. Bye!
Enjoy English as part of your life.